Hey you guys, what's up? It's Ashley and today I'm doing an unboxing video. Last time was so successful. I had so much fun. I hope you guys did too. So today I picked a couple boxes from the stuff that I got and I'm gonna share with you what's in it. Check it out. First, I got a box from Tastify. Ooh, I wonder what's in there. I'm guessing it's cases. Right? Cell phone cases? Let's see. Oh my gosh, how cute! Cell phone cases with my name. What? That is so cute. Oh my gosh, and the Skinny Confidential. I know her. That's so cute. I love that. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Love, that's awesome. Thank you so much. I love cell phone cases. I always need a new one. I drop my phone a lot, so I feel like these are like really flexible though, and they'll like be able to handle it. Thank you, Casetify. All right, on to the next. I see a Sephora box. Sephora Lip Collection Lip Stories. Okay, so I went to the event for this, and these lipsticks are really awesome. So cute. 40 different shades. It's so crazy. Oh my gosh, this is a cute one. Spring Break State of Mind. I might have to just swatch a couple. I like that. Love. Wait, what's in this white one? Brunch Days. I always need lipstick for brunch. Interesting. Well, comment below on if you like white lipstick or not, because I mean, I'm a little shocked by it. I just don't know if I'd be able to use that color, but let me know if you guys have tried it. This is pretty crazy. I love this color. You tell I'm like, oh, I love that nude. Okay, I'm super excited about all of these. There's even peach and coral and reds. So awesome. Thank you, Sephora. Okay, Cindy Riley. Ooh, what is this? Auto Correct Brightening and Depuffing Eye Contour Cream. Oh my gosh, that's so crazy. I was just talking about eye cream earlier. With caffeine? Instantly delivers a lifted and depuffed look to the eye area while reducing the appearance of dark circles and fine lines. Oh my gosh, I love that stuff. Thank you so much, Cindy Riley. I love that people send me awesome skincare products. Just so much fun. First Aid Beauty. Ooh, oh my gosh, first of all, this box is so cute. And it's coconut water cream, helps hydrate, smooth, and recharge. And then this one is ginger and turmeric vitamin C jelly mask. How awesome. That is so cool. Well, I always love good skincare products, so I cannot wait to use them. Oh, more from First Aid. Okay, so facial radiance pads, yes. And coconut skin smoothie priming moisturizer. Also ultra repair cream, nice. And face cleanser, yay. Okay, awesome. Allergy tested, fragrance free. I don't know about you guys, but I have sensitive skin and fragrances and skincare stuff really affect my skin. So I always love getting stuff like this where it's fragrance free and it's allergy tested. That is so awesome. Well, I'm gonna use these when I get home to wipe off my makeup. And the pads. So I was told by a dermatologist, Christy Kidd, who is absolutely amazing. Her whole philosophy is like, after you wash your face with cleanser, obviously we all do it, but I would take a washcloth and like, you know, rub my face down. She's like, don't do that. So wash your face and then use, she has pads as well, but obviously they have pads too, which is she wants you to use the pad and like let your face air dry pretty much, because it's just way better than to scrub your face with a washcloth or a towel. So that was something I didn't know and I just learned recently, and it's definitely helped a lot. Oh my gosh, oh my God. So this is from Smashbox. They just sent me this humongous box. It is so heavy. I'm so excited to see what's inside. Oh my gosh. Wait, what is that? Oh my God. It just lit up a mirror inside. Oh my gosh, see, this is presentation, people. Look at what they send you. They sent me a mirror that lights up. And then look at all of these colors. This is crazy. How cool. Oh my gosh, that's so crazy. It's still lighting up. That is pretty awesome. Yeah, so I'm gonna have so much fun with all of these. They're so beautiful. There's like from cool tones to warm tones to like every single color that I love. This is pretty awesome. So thank you so much, Smashbox. I absolutely love it. Wow, shadow in a snap. New photo edit eyeshadow trios. How cool. I love that they're trios too. Like it makes it so much easier on what colors go together. Oh, love. Oh my gosh, I think this is my best present ever that someone has sent me. Guys, someone sent me a dog. Oh my gosh. It's okay. Maui was down there. Oh, Maui. Did I just unbox you? Girl, you weren't in a box. You were in your bag. Saying hi to everybody. Say hi to YouTubers. Say hi. That was an air kiss. Okay, back to unboxing. So the last box is Face Tori. Hey Ashley, Happy New Year. Loved your New Year's Eve classic glam makeup tutorial. Thank you. Here are some sheet masks for you. Oh my gosh, happy masking. Sheet masks. Oh my gosh, how cool. Oh my gosh, that is so funny. I don't know yesterday, brightening mask. That's amazing. What is this? Step 1, vitamin C powder, brightening camera mask. I have never heard of that. Simply One Cosmic Calm, soothe stressed out skin. Oh my gosh. Juicy Mojito clearing mask. Magic bubble mask. Modeling mask serum. And Camellia Wrinkle Care. Thank you guys so much. This is so awesome. You know I love my masks. I love my Sunday night spa routine, so I will be checking these out. That was the last box, and thank you guys so much for watching my unboxing. I have an app, if you guys don't know about it. It's the Ashley Tisdale official app. I'm gonna be giving away some of these products that I showed you today. So head to my app and comment on the picture on who wants this giveaway. All right, comment below and subscribe.